Hey guys, welcome back to day 17 of 21 days to good hair. I am so happy that we are just 4 ingredients away from completing this challenge. Well, when I'll tell you what the ingredient is today, I'm sure most of you would not be surprised, but I just cannot skip this ingredient because it's so good. Well, today's ingredient is aloe vera, guys. So aloe vera is enriched with vitamin A, C and E. It is a great source of moisturization. It is great for hair growth. It's got this special enzyme in it which helps remove the dead skin on your scalp, which obviously promotes hair growth, gives your hair lots of moisture and just make it look all that shiny and strong. So we'll be making a mask today, and I'm sure aloe vera is something which is now very easily available. In fact, the aloe vera that I got today is something that we grow in our own household. So I think everyone should have a aloe vera plant at home, because no matter what, you can apply it on your hair, you can apply it on your face. It's just great. So let's get started. Our ingredient for today: freshly plucked aloe vera leaves, loads of them, 2 spoons of castor oil and 2 spoons of honey. We'll mix them together in a mixie. So I'm back after the hair wash. As you can see, I'm all ready. I'm going out for a lunch with my friends, and the good thing about the pack was that I didn't use any heat today. What you see right here is dried, air dried, no heat, nothing at all, and my hair still feels non-frizzy. It's still in control. It's really hot today, but still it's in control. But because it's air dried, I think it's good for the day. Alright guys, this was great. I'll see you guys on day 18.